Hey, good day, ladies and gentlemen. If I can remember correctly, it's 4K linear, Hypersmooth on high. ISO minimum 100, maximum 400, EV to the negative 0.05, sharpness medium, low bit rate, everything else at the default. So let's go have some fun. You know my settings right now should give you a beautiful shot indeed. I just want to add a note. I removed my mic muff, getting a film protector for the screen and for the lens. I already put a screen protector on the actual small interface and a silicone cover. And if not, I'll put the mic muff on the silicone cover and go from there. Samsung Evo Select Plus 64 gig card, no issues whatsoever at the moment. It's high tide, no mic muff, go dunk the camera. Should I? Be interesting. What are you going to see if I dunk the camera just in this water? It holds to be waterproof? Yes. The sound underneath water, hearing me scream above? Yes. Me not dunking my head in like the Polar Bear Club? No. And come up out of the water, maybe you should be able to hear me nice and clear. If not, ma don't test. Time to go maintain my camera and go wash it. So I dried it all off, cleaned it all up, and it is what it is. Well, this gives me my idea of my tests and all. Oh, I'm on camera. Yeah, let's get out of here and go film somewhere else. Oh yeah. Oh no, my camera's ruined. I won't get these slow motion shots and all the pigeons flying in my face, all that good stuff. It's waterlogged. Oh man, just one dead silent area. It's what I like at this given moment. So yeah, I do check out my issues with the camera, and that's what this vlog is about. Just reporting the small little details of today. Our camera does feel cold and it's in the 40s. What am I to do? Keep it in my pocket? Not shoot video? It's not what it's about. I had to check my lens just to make sure everything was nice and clean, and see if any moisture was available. I'm not certain that the outside just had basically, you could say, warmth in my pocket. So, how does Hypersmooth High do? With being so smooth and extended on a Smarttree gimbal pole. FG, I forget the name of it. But let me give it a little shake, a little up and down, all that good stuff. And you can see me kind of like, not belittled in the video. So that's my test for right now. Is the high. Hi, how's it going? I'm sitting here, right? Nice, comfortable spot. The sun is on right about here. Or maybe this way. I'm not sure. I don't want to look at the sun. But it's nice and warm here. And just taking in the scenery, all that matters. Capture the moment on video. Everything else will work out just fine. Right? Yeah. All this just came out of my camera. What am I to do? And that's my Smarttree pole. I gotta clean it out, make sure I get that salt water out. That's why I don't like doing things like that. I guess when you get a nice day like today, you could start to wrap things up, and that's what's happening here. Taking care of the last minute details. Oh yeah. Sounds of the seagull. Let's capture them. As you can see right there, they're doing a little shoot for something, right? Something. Good place than any. Like I said, the sun's coming from the ocean towards me, so it's a beautiful shot. And the wind is just barely hitting, so I don't have to yell to the camera. It's one of the last warm weeks for sure. Troubles, it is what it is, and you work them out, and that's the best you can do. Once you figure out all your little own personal issues and the bugs, everything else comes together just beautifully with the GoPro. A lot of people complain, oh, my order. Well, that's you. Oh, I use this. That's you. Well, I don't blame that's you. It's just we don't hear the truth behind it. And yeah, I've been caught up with it. Oh, I got a problem and I don't see the shipping label. Well, maybe I'll get surprised today, tomorrow, the next day of the package that's going to come from GoPro. Well, the one thing I did learn is if I want to order something privately from somebody, I got to pay shipping. Or I just go to Amazon, I pay the same price. And that's what I forgot to do. And I'm going to go home and go do that. Place an order, have it shipped, and I'll have it wait. And what can that be? Yeah, the Yolanzi side port door that I no longer have to open and close. But I got to remember, somewhere in this video, I did a dunk. And if I have that door on and I dunk my camera, oh, my GoPro leaked. On that note, I'm going to change settings, go to different settings for sure, and have fun with that for today. So on this video vlog right here is ending this segment, this episode. I see you all on the next one. Have a great day. Thank you for joining.